our 2 horsepower monoblock walk-in refrigeration system. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 41 3/4 inches, counting the compacted condenser to the front of the evaporator fan. We have an overall height of 31.5 inches tall. And 31.5 inches in depth. Measurements applied for the back condensing area. Measurements for the back and the front fan will include 15.5 inches in radius. Coming to the top will be the hardwiring that's required to hook up this cooling system, with the sticker diagram showing the specifications along with the 220 voltage and single phase this cooling system uses. Coming to the front will be the main evaporator coil along with the fan. Measurements for this installation will include 29 3/4 inches in length by 19 inches in height. Measurements applied for this installation or the front area of the evaporator fan where it's facing on the inside. Coming to the back will be the controller to adjust the temperature when needed when operating this cooling system. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.